To enforce a total blockade without sinking every vessel, the U.S. Navy relies on a master class in ballistic precision, the Mark 45 Mod 4 5-inch naval gun. As seen in the recent seizure of the MV Touska, this weapon system is capable of firing 20 rounds per minute with surgical accuracy at ranges up to 13 nautical miles. When a vessel refuses to heave to, the USS Spruance utilizes disabling fire, aiming specifically for the engine room or steering gear to stop the ship dead in the water without causing a catastrophic hull breach. The system is fully automated, utilizing a digital fire control computer that accounts for wind, humidity, and the target's roll and pitch. This allows the Navy to neutralize a 1,000-foot tanker with the precision of a sniper rifle, creating a secure environment for the boarding teams to begin their approach.
Motor Vessel Touska, vacate your engine room. Vacate your engine room. We're prepared to subject you to disabling fire.
Okay, we gave the flare. Now we're getting
Once the target is disabled, the tactical burden shifts to the visit, board, search, and seizure teams of the 31st Marine Expeditionary Unit. These Marines utilize fast rope techniques to descend from MH-60S Seahawk helicopters, entering the deck in seconds. Their gear is a mix of high-intensity combat equipment and law enforcement tools. Every Marine is equipped with the M27 Infantry Automatic Rifle and specialized non-lethal options for crowd control among the ship's crew. Critical to the 2026 blockade is their use of biometric identification kits, which allow the team to instantly scan the crew's fingerprints and retinas against global terror and IRGC databases. This ensures that every cargo ship is vetted not just for its oil, but for the personnel on board. The combination of naval artillery and elite boarding gear is what turns a high seas chase into a tactical certainty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and also please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the U.S. military and their allies around the world.